How to get Peacock on Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on a smart television, no matter what brand you have. Start by turning on your television and connecting it to Wi-Fi. Then go to the built-in app store. This could be LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, Google Play Store, or Roku Channel Store, depending on your television. Use the search bar to type in Peacock. If the app shows up, select it and hit install or download. Once it finishes installing, open the app. Now log in your Peacock account. If you don't have one, you can sign up at peacocktv.com. You could use your phone or laptop. You can choose the free plan with ads or upgrade to Premium or Premium Plus for more content and fewer ads. If your smart TV doesn't support the Peacock app, maybe it's an older model. No worries. Just connect a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast with Google TV. Once plugged in, go to the device's app store and install Peacock from there.